Welcome to my channel, and my name is Chirag. Today I'm going to show you how we can do a database testing by using this low code API framework. So we can also perform a database testing by using this framework. We just two things we need to do. First, we have to just configure our database details in YAML file. I will show you that, and it is very easy. After that, we just need to do what we have to do. Means by using this request content, we just create our table. We just here we what I'm doing, I'm just write my query to create a table. Okay, so what kind of query it is? It is a DDL query. So in under action I mention a DDL. Okay, so suppose I need here I just created a table. Now I have to verify the data, whether the data is uh, means I need to insert the data. So this is the query for which we can insert. Okay, so what kind of action I'm doing? I'm doing a insert. Here I'm verifying the data. So this is the CSVs, and in this what we have to do, we have to just write the select query, and here I just mention a column, what column I have to verify and what the data I have to verify here. Okay, so in this we can do a verification. So what column? So you can see this column is there, employee number, first name, last name, gender. So this is the column, and this is the value which I have to validate. And what is this? This is a verify. Okay, so they also mention some details on their this tutorial. So you if you want to create a table, you have to use DDL. If you want to create, update or delete, so this particular action you need to. And if you have to verify, so this way you can verify. So I mentioned this link on my this video description. You can go and watch this, go through this link. Okay, so this is the way how we can perform a database testing. What I do here, I just put this request content. Here I just write my query. If I'm creating a date table, then I mention what kind of action I'm doing. I'm doing a DDL action. If I want to insert some data, what what action I'm putting, I'm insert. Here I am verifying the data. Okay, so this is the way how we can create our test scripts by using Excel. Now we are talking about how we can configure this. So you can see there is a resource column. So in by using this resource column, we can configure our DB to this test script. How we can do? I will show you. So this is the YAML file. A YAML file is a file in which we mention some configuration. What should be this report title? Okay, where we have to store our features or our feature file, in which environment I have to run, and what is the Excel file which we are using. So here you can see I'm using this db test 0. So I mention here this, and this is all the properties for the database. Okay, so here we mention a username, password. I'm using this HSQLDB, so I mention the path here. If what URL you are using, you can put here. And this you can see there is a demo. Here you can see a demo, and here I also mention a demo resource. So these both should be same way. If you can go to this, they are mentioning here resource. So what is resource? So resource in my case is demo. Okay, so I mention a demo here, and rest you need to just copy and paste, and here you need to give your DB configuration. Okay, so in this way we just configure our DB with our test scripts. So we do not need to do any coding. We just need to pass some config properties of the DB. In Excel file we need to do nothing. We just if we are creating table, then we have a request content. We should give the query. If we are inserting, then we should give a query under a request content. If we are verifying the data, then we should give this under CSV sun column. And how it work, first we have to give a select query, the query from which we have to fetch the data, and then the you can see this is the column and this is the data. Okay, so